Well, welcome to Palm Springs and to the new Palm Springs Surf Club. Now, this is something that I really didn't know was here. And imagine a surf club in the middle of the desert. Well, let's give you a tour. Come on.
Catch the wave, let's go. Blue Lagoon, crystal clear. Surf survive, chill right here. Palm Springs Surf Club, ride that wave. Desert surfers dancing brave. Hang loose, splashing in the sun. Palm Springs vibes, endless fun. Endless fun. Desert breeze, board in hand. Surf the sands, desert land. Catch a thrill, feel the rush. Oasis wave, summer crush. Palm Springs Surf Club, ride that wave. Desert surf.
And if you want to do some people watching, there's no better place.
The sun, Palm Springs vibes, endless fun. Endless fun. Feel the rhythm, hear the sound.
What's your name?
Mara,
Mara.
please come to the Palm Springs Surf Club. It's so fun.
Palm Springs wave, catch that vibe. Palm Springs Surf Club serves the way. Ride forever, stay and play. Catch that wave, desert sun, Palm Springs magic.
Isn't that amazing?
We're never
And it's going to even give you a flower. Over and out.